Hi, it is me Ram Lama, and in this video I'll be teaching you a trick for Libronix digital library. And sometime you may open your Libronix digital library and you may not get your resources, or you may get a list of the resources, and when you click on that, then you may get a message that your resource is missing, you cannot open, and it may ask you to buy. So in that situation, what shall you do, or what should we do? So in this video, I'll be teaching you what you're supposed to do when you miss the resources in your Libronix digital library. First of all, let me show you the demonstration. Okay, I have opened here my Libronix digital library. So let me go to my library, and here I have list of the books with the lock. Let me go to unlocked books. Okay, there are some unlocked books like here. I have got Bible and English International Standard, or there are many books like that which is unlocked, but I can see in the shadow, like it is not clear, like it is not like bright like this, it is in the shadow. So when I click on this, the message will come: resource missing. Data for the resource has been previously available at the following location. So it gives the location like C drive, program files, Libronix DLC, and resource. Now it is missing. So I want this book, I want to read this book, but now I cannot because the resource is missing. So what should I do? In order to get the back your resource, what you have to do, you just minimize it, go to Demon Tool Light, double click on that. Demon Tool Light is opening now, it has opened. Now you can see we have option called quick mount, and empty is there. Okay, so what we supposed to do, if the empty is not there, okay, for example there, you just have to go to quick mount, double click on that, go to the file, that the logos file that you have kept in your driver. So for me, I have kept in the drive called KIT Office. So in that I have kept logos folder. Click on that and go to image.nrg. When you click on that, say open it. Okay, it is saying mounting. Okay, it is being mounted now. It has come, so something has popped up here. Just ignore this one, click on that and cross this one, close this one, and go to now to the Libronix. And now you see it has automatically come the resources. Let me show you my library. Okay, this is lock 1, as I said. Okay, let us not think about lock 1, and we were trying to open the Bible. Okay, so now you can see, okay, this has come up. Okay, before those were not there. Okay, let me just say unlock resources. Let me click on this. Now it has come. Okay, so I bet you that once you use that formula or steps, then you will definitely get your resources back. So don't panic, just use this step by carefully, then you'll be all right. Thank you so much.